Not try to bother you guys, but just, you guys probably deserve to see what goes on. Now let me ask you guys a question. Do you want me to keep the bottle dirty? Okay, because I was gonna wipe it, but okay. It is awesome. I agree with you. Okay. Oh. All right. Perfect. The crazy part is the strength of that clay. It has preserved this literally to the fullest extent, which is kind of the craziest part. Now, obviously it's as old as it is, and this thing is filled with sediment. So I'm gonna filter it and decant it for you guys, but wait until you see the color of this. It is absolutely incredible.
Wow.
Here, I can move this too.
You see now?
Yeah. So you don't have to chew it. We do, but
Wow, that cork is perfect.
Is that not insane? 125 today, you guys. Look how small this little bitty cork is. Dude, and look how well it held everything. So if you guys look at the cork and pass it around, it actually has the date of when this winery was established printed on it. It's a little messed up, but it is 1894. It's just like, it always is remarkable to me. All right, I'm gonna grab a decanter and I'm gonna grab some cheesecloth and I'm gonna get this out of the bottle for you guys, okay? Give me 1 second. And if you guys want, you can pass this around as well. All right. Nicholas II. So Nicholas II established this, but throughout time, the winery changed hands, whether it was on purpose or not, to Joseph Stalin. So during World War II, when the Germans were invading, Stalin didn't want the precious liquids of Russia to be destroyed. So what he did was he sent all the liquids to Massandra, which has port entry, it's on the Crimea Peninsula, and sent everything to Georgia to keep it safe. Once World War II ended, they actually put all of the liquid back to Massandra, and then what they did is they dispersed it through all the rightful owners. In the early 90s, a very small lot of this wine and the 1945 port from Massandra was sold to auction, and that's where the Rio purchased it. Then when the Rio got sold, guess who received it? We did. And now you guys are the ones that are able to drink it. And I think that is the coolest thing ever. Bam. That bottle is awesome. All right. But you can feel it. Believe me, it's dirty. So if you guys need a little rinse on your hands later, please.
Which one is it?
I'll show you. I have the label. Taste. Well, that's not from the bottle.
that looks bad.
Look at the color of that.
Fourth dimension.
Fuck, that's super good, dude.
It really is. I'm not even joking. A lot of people would think this was vinegar. It is not even close.
No, it's not vinegar.
Here.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Absolutely,
You were
man.
here the first time I came here.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah, I
awesome.
remember your faces very well.
I love it. I love it. Mr. Savoy gets a little taste. How it works. Sante. Happy New Year. Can you sign here? Wow. Wow. Thank you, Chef. Now this is something you keep. That is sick. How cool is that?